Did I put all 10 screws back in?
Maybe not.
I always end up with extras. This is how sea turtles look when we sail past them. These were my inspiration photos. Capturing how the water sparkles was a challenge. I didn't want to obscure the turtles too much. Something important to know about epoxy, it will always yellow in the sun, so you have to protect it. I made this new cover out of the same fabric I'm using all over the reboot. Am I happy? Yep. Final results with painted cushions and new covers. What do you think?